Okay guys, sorry, I'm gonna record sideways because it looks better, but hopefully I can figure out how to rotate these on YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna explain what equilibrium is. So basically we represent equilibrium by the letter K, which is basically the ratio of products over reactants. So if we have this type of reaction, and I just made one up, all the lowercase letters represent the coefficients in front of the reactants and products, and then the capital letters represent the reactants and products. Okay. So if I want to determine the K, what I do is I take all the coefficients and make them exponents. Okay. So the little a, the little b, the little c, and the little d become exponents in my expression. And then I write the products on the top, right? So I'm having C and D. And then I'm going to write the reactants on the bottom, which are A and B. And each of them have their coefficient as an exponent. Okay. What the K tells us is whether we're making more products or reactants. Okay. I'm just going to use a simple example. Let's say that after we calculate this and do the math, we get that a 2 over 1. That means products are bigger than our reactants, right? So we get a K of 2. The K of 2 is greater than 1, right? So if it's greater than 1, that means we are favoring products. Okay. A lot of people get confused with the term favors. Favors means we're making more product. So now let's take that 2 and 1 and flip them around. Okay. So in this case, we have 1 for the products and 2 for the reactants. So our K is going to be 0.5, which is 1/2. So just by looking at this, we can tell that the 2 is on the bottom, right? So it's larger, so that means we have more reactant, and then the top is smaller, so that means we have less product. So if K is less than 1, which is clearly the case, right, because it's 0.5, then what's going to be favored? That's right, the reactants are going to be favored. Again, when we mean favor, we mean it's going to make more of. Okay, I hope this makes sense.